We're on the beach. Ezekiel is eating. What did you eat?
Beautiful.
Mandarin. Is there? Where's Noah? Ang layo nila. Noah!
You need to run. It's been out since we went out last.
Oh my goodness.
I told you the water police rang me up.
Oh yeah, about crab pot, yeah.
Noah, come here! Oh my God, gustong-gusto niya talaga, oh. Noah! You're not tired, baby? Noah! May kasama na siya si Munis, yung anak ni Anacel, oh. Naman talaga ng weather. Noah! Loves it. Oh my goodness. Easy. Use your truck. Hello. Good morning. Say good morning, love.
Good morning, love.
With all you wear that nice Hawaiian shirt. Good morning, boys. Good morning, Ati. No, they're already tired. I think they were gonna go sleep. So mag-beach kami today because it's a holiday. Bi-beach kami. Ano pala makapunta sila ni Anacel at saka si Munis. Hopefully Ate Munis will go coming, Noah.
Gonna swim.
Gonna swim?
Are they on their way?
I'm not sure. When I texted her, she was saying, just wake up. Lucky. So, ang ganda ng panahon, guys. Look at that. Super duper ganda ng panahon. And of course, we bring my coffee and hubby's coffee. Hindi pwedeng wala. Kasi maganda mag-coffee talaga.
That's what
That's what Elami and Will
we're getting. One of them.
Oh.
Exact same colour. One of them exactly.
Yeah. Okay. Hi,
Not
Noah.
as good as the outcome.
Hi, Noah. Easy. Na. Walang nakikiano kay Mami. Excited na silang mag-beach. Kaninang umaga habang kumakain kami
look
sa
at the towel for Noah.
habang kumakain. Yeah, I got this one. This one is only 10. Kaninang umaga bang kumakain kami, sabi ko na kami mag-beach, tapos excited na sila.
You're welcome.
Siguro nakadamit na yan sila 1 hour before kami magpunta. See you in the beach. What's the what? What did you say? See you in the beach. No, he doesn't want to talk. So baka maybe this is no, this is not our last time to go to the beach because we're going for a holiday soon. Hee. Sponsored by Auntie Jess.
Daddy!
Yes.
Look, there's truck!
Where?
There's a truck!
It's the truck.
There's
There.
a truck!
The truck's not there anymore. It used to be there
What truck?
on that sign.
Ah,
It used to be a truck.
you remember it. Dito na kami mga moms at si Buntis, of course. Dito lang muna. Ang ganda ng panahon. Super ganda.
Cold!
Ha? Cold? Nilamig daw siya pero super ganda ng panahon mga moms. Tingnan nyo. Si Habi. Si Si Isi, andun siya sa may mga sexy, Noah! You coming? Where are you going? Daddy is there, oh? Huh? What did you do, little man? Si Ate Glenette nasa ang ganda ng weather. Ito yung pinaka-the best namin ng mga mamis pag magpunta kami dito sa beach kasi siyempre kasama yung mga bata, yung buong family. And look at yung beach nila dito, nakakaulala. Wala ka talagang makitang kadumi-dumi. Yan. Lapitan natin sila. What did you do, Ezekiel? Oh, this is what Ezekiel loves it. He loves in the beach. Daddy loves the beach. Si Noah, bagong gising lang yan, kaya galit na siya. Ayun niya, medyo malamig kasi yung tubig. Sisi, ayaw siya basa ate. Ayaw siya basa kaya basintog naon. He's not very happy at all. Tignan nyo, super nice. Hi, man. What's going on? I'm like, why not? No, you said, no, I told you.
Took it off?
Yeah. Super ganda, hindi masyadong mainit, hindi masyadong mahangin, wala talagang hangin. Grabe, flat yung pero nandito ako. Pag Pilipina ka talaga, medyo ka talaga. Takot sa takot sa init. Super ganda mga moms. Oh my goodness. Ang ganda, ang swerte ng pagpunta namin dito ngayon kasi super ganda yung panahon. Super ganda. So by the way, pakita ko sa inyo kung ano yung dala ko para sa mga Junax, of course. Hindi pwede wala to. Ito yung ito yung aking dala. Peanut butter sandwich. And then ito is strawberry sandwich. Meron akong crackers. Yan. And then banana. And then mandarins. Ito na lang yung prutas na nasa bahay namin. I-close ngayon yung mga supermarket kaya hindi na ako bumili. Ito lang. And then a lot of water. Kasi alam ko yung mga Junax ko loves water. So yan. Happy makita sila. Tingnan nyo naman. Oh, tingnan nyo naman si Ezekiel at saka si Noah. Grabe, nakaka-happy. Naglaro na sila ng volleyball. Come on, you play. Tapos na kami. Pagod na, hindi ako nagligo. Ezekiel, we're going home. Naiwan namin si Anasel doon at si Ian. Look at the weather, guys. Look at the view. Oh my goodness. Ang ganda. Kaso hindi na kami doon pwede magstay kasi yung mga Junax. Si Ezekiel ay na siya. Gusto na siyang umuwi. Si Noah. You had fun today, baby Noah? Oh. Milk time na. my still, you think it's still good, this one, Daddy?
That's right.
My coffee? Andito pa yung coffee ko. Kahit ang init-init ng panahon, I love to have coffee. So, yan. Yung aming holiday.
Bye-bye, boat.
Bye-bye boat. Kasi may boat
Bye-bye,
doon.
beach.
Bye-bye beach. Oh. Still alright. Not too hot, but manage. So, see ya! Thank you, guys. Tingnan nyo, ah. So, ito yung daan dito. Tingnan nyo. Gilid lang niya is beach talaga. So, ito talaga yung Yupon dito. Is it Yupon here still, lah?
Yeah.
Tingnan nyo yung yung napakagandang nature nila dito. Ang ganda. So mga 45 minutes drive lang to galing sa amin. So pa-winter na, so baka after nung holiday namin ay hindi na kami magdagat. Magsuksok na lang sa bahay. Kasi winter na. Dati kasi gusto naming mag-transfer doon o maglipat doon sa malapit sa sa magulang niya. Kaso hindi na kami kasi iniisip namin medyo maganda talaga yun dito kasi malapit lang kami sa mga ganito sa dagat. Doon kasi medyo 3 oras ganun. So kung weekends medyo malayo-layo ang drive dito, medyo hindi masyadong malayo. Kaya yan. Kuwait ang nasa likod. Eating KFC. So this is our lunch. Again. Aside sa dinala namin, dinala kong food kanina. So yan. KFC. Thank you, Daddy. We're going home.
Chippies?
You want chippies, Noah?
Like sisig chippies?
Si Noah, chips lang talagang kakainin niya. Si ay chicken.